Hello and good morning, everyone. We are here at Electroma 2025 and we are having Mr. Rajesh Jayachandran, National Sales Manager from LS Electric with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about LS Electric and their products.
Hi. So basically, LS is from South Korea. It's a LG group of company. 2020, we started our Indian operation. So before that, LS was more into white labeling, branding for other switchgear companies in India. So due to the globalization and the major merger and acquisition scenario, LS has come to the India market directly. So the core strength of LS is more into a renewable energy, EV, then energy storage solution. That's what it's displayed here. So this is a core focus area for LS. Apart from that, we have the very standard products for the low voltage, medium voltage, and high voltage switchgear components.
And like we all know that the electrical industry is very huge. So how LS Electric is different from your other competitors?
The demand of electricity, the power generation, the electric infrastructure, especially on the data center. So these are the major growing segment. Apart from that, there is a prediction 2050 that 50% of the industry load will be on the DC side. Gear up and support the demand of DC components. So LS is putting their complete energy towards this. So that's the reason for this Electrama we have introduced 2200 volt DC disconnectors up to 5000 amps. So which goes for the ESS kind of application. So in future, as I mentioned, so produce energy, store energy, and consume energy. So that is the trend. So we are traveling in the right direction to gearing up the DC demand of the global market.
And if we talk about new technologies, how LS Electric is, accepting new technological advancements?
Yes. So with respect to technical advancement, as I mentioned to you, so this is the very initial stage of DC product line. We are on the higher side, the right direction to gearing up the DC demand of the global market.
And if we talk about new technologies, how LS Electric is, accepting new technological advancements?
Yes. So with respect to technical advancement, as I mentioned to you, so this is the very initial stage of DC product line. So we are on the higher side. Our more than 15-16% of the company revenue and profit goes towards the R&D. So that is our core strength. So with respect to technology, so we are AI, we are in ML. So the complete plant of LS runs on AI/ML platform. So that's the reason we got the Lighthouse Award, the second Lighthouse Award factory in Korea. So we are on the top notch with respect to design, development, manufacturing. We are at the top of the technical pyramid.
And like here in Electroma, what kind of new launch you're having here and how it is benefiting your customers?
So again, as I mentioned, we are focusing more on renewable energy, which is a solar inverter, wind converter, ESS. So for this application, we have launched our 1150 volt ACB. That is up to 4000 amps, 50 K. This is very unique product we have. We launched it this Electrama. So this product we are already being supplying globally to majority of the German solar wind converter manufacturer. So in Electrama for India market, we have launched this. Apart from that, we have a HVDC relay which goes more into the EV charging infrastructure. Again, that relay is also of 1500 volt DC up to 700 amps. So these are the new launch for Electrama.
And wrapping up this conversation, what are your roadmap for 2025 specifically?
See, the roadmap for 2025 is towards reaching the goal of 2030 or 2035, 50% of the DC loads towards the power generation or the power consumption. So that is the long-term roadmap. So to achieve the long-term roadmap, we are gearing up. So we are taking all the necessary steps in 2025 to be part of the DC power up journey for the global.
Thank you, sir.